Morning everyone, it's Tommy from Tech Nexus and thanks for joining me for today's video. This video is just in response to a question on the Autodesk forums about connecting metric specs into a vessel that apparently doesn't show metric nozzles on it. So what you need to do is, after you create the equipment, so I'm just going to place just a generic piece of equipment here, and by default these nozzles may come in as inches. So when you try and connect, you're going to get errors. So I'm just going to see if I can replicate that. So this is, you might get something like this. Okay, so what you want to do is press Control, so on a vessel, press Control, click the nozzle, and then click the pencil glyph, and then change the units to be inches, change the pressure class to be 150, and then click on the raised face nozzle here, and then it changes. Okay, if you don't click on that, the changes here don't get applied. So now, so I'll just check the size here. So this is a 4-inch nozzle. So I select CS150 as the spec. I select 4 inches the size, or 100 mil, and I go route pipe, and I connect to the node, and then we get a nozzle connection there, and then I can just keep running pipe and do whatever I need to do. So, okay, now just to show that again from this bottom nozzle, Control, click, pencil, change it to inches. If you're using the out-of-the-box CS150 spec, change it to inches, change it to 150 spec, click the raised face nozzle, close, and then go route pipe, connect to node, and then we can run pipe off it. Okay, so hopefully that's answered your question on the forums. Thumbs up if you liked the video, thumbs down if you didn't, but please do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get daily notification of all of my videos, and I will see you tomorrow for some more videos. See ya.